The fields after harvest always possess a unique beauty. The vibrant green of the young rice plants has vanished, as has the brilliant golden hue of the harvest days. Instead, a vast expanse of land is covered in the tranquil golden brown of the stubble remaining from the previous season. Everything seems quieter, slower, and more peaceful. Under the setting sun, the entire field stretches to the horizon. The short rice stalks lie close to the ground, dry and light, still bearing the marks of the harvest. The wind blows across the fields, sweeping through the rice paddies and carrying the faint scent of dry straw in the air. It's a very familiar scent, the scent of the countryside, of labor, of a harvest that has just ended. It's a very familiar scent, the scent of the countryside, of labor, of a harvest that has just ended. The noise of the combine harvesters has disappeared. The hustle and bustle of people in the fields is gone. After the harvest, the fields seem to return to their inherent tranquility. Only the sound of the wind, the distant chirping of birds, and occasionally the soft footsteps on the dry stubble remained. Then, as the sun began to set, thin wisps of smoke began to rise from a few corners of the field. The farmers gathered the remaining straw into small piles and burned them. The fire burned slowly, glowing red across the vast field. From afar, these streaks of fire looked like tiny specks of light against the yellowish-brown backdrop of the fields at the end of the harvest season. The smoke rose, thin and light, blending into the twilight sky. The scent of burning straw wafted on the wind. There was a hint of an end, but it also felt like a new beginning. Because, for the farmer, the harvest never truly ends. After the rice harvest, the land enters a new cycle. What remains in the field is cleared, cleaned, and prepared for the next planting. Ash from the burnt straw is mixed with the soil. The land is plowed again, new seeds are sown, and a new green season begins. It all repeats itself year after year. Season follows season. The old crop ends and a new crop begins. In this cycle, people are bound to the fields with incredible perseverance and patience. In the midst of that vast field, the farmers look so small. But it is they who have been connected to this land through countless seasons of rain and sunshine. They understand every patch of land, every stream, every changing wind. And they know when to begin and when a harvest truly ends. As the sun sets behind the fields, the light softens. Thin wisps of smoke still linger in the wind. Everything seems to slow down. Another day ends. The harvest season has ended. But beneath the dry earth, things haven't stopped. The land is still resting in its own way, in silence. Quietly, waiting. And then, when the first rains of the season return, the lush green shoots will sprout from this very place. and the fields. After days of bare stubble, after the faint scent of straw smoke in the late afternoon, after the stillness of the end of the season, will begin their new journey.